Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be making tostones y tajadas with my grandma on Mother's Day.
Lo primero que vamos a hacer es ponerle el aceite.
Okay.
Ponerlo bien caliente. Cortar las puntitas.
Cut off the edge. Plenty. Put them in there and let them fry. You have to be careful because the oil is gonna like splat on your face. After a couple minutes, you're just gonna check and you want to move them around a little just to avoid them burning. Now, Nana, ¿qué estamos haciendo?
Ok, ya están listos. Dejarlos un poquito que a ustedes les gusta más quemadito. No con tanto aceite para que no se enchumbe.
So now we're gonna make tostones. So for this one, you're literally gonna do the same exact process. You're gonna take off the ends, and then you're gonna take off like the skin of the banana. I don't know if that's what you call it. And then you're just gonna cut it in little circles. For your tostones, you're gonna need a little bit more oil on your pan. And then you're gonna put it all in the pan, and you're gonna leave it there for a couple of minutes, just until it gets a nice coating.